Your personal AI solutions advisor, always available. Let's see how it works.
Hello, Peter. I am your virtual cybersecurity advisor, John. You can stop the presentation and ask a question. You can also change the language. You can ask me for a recommendation or browse our portfolio and choose a solution.
You can speak to the avatar any language.
Recommend me solution.
You can receive personalized recommendation.
Please enter more details about your company. You can either say what you think is necessary or manually fill in the fields in the form.
We are a manufacturing company with 2,500 employees. We use many security solutions for endpoint and network security, e.g. Fortinet FortiGate and Cisco Firepower.
You can receive personalized recommendation.
What is your industry and the size of your organization? Which IT security products are you already using?
We have a medium level of security maturity. We have many unmanaged IoT devices. We are concerned about OT security. The company has an IT security budget between $250,000 and $1 million.
We have filled in all the fields based on your description. Please correct anything that is wrong. Here are the solutions we recommend, along with their match rates.
The virtual advisor justifies its choice of solution and explains the reasons.
Here is the explanation of why we offered this solution. You can call the avatar who will present this solution and answer your questions.
You can view the presentation of the recommended solution with an avatar in a separate browser window.
Show me AMISS presentation.
We invite you to a presentation about AMISS cybersecurity solutions.
You can ask questions about the product and receive answers shown on slides.
What are the values of this product for me?
What does AMISS bring to the table? It's all about visibility, insights, and actions. The platform sees and secures everything you can't. Also, AMISS unifies your security goals with your business objectives and remediates and eliminates threats in real time.
You can see presentation and communicate with avatar in your language.
Ja, bitte sprechen Sie auf Deutsch.
Was bietet AMISS? Transparenz, Einblicke und Maßnahmen. Die Plattform erkennt und schützt alles, was Sie nicht sehen können. Darüber hinaus vereint AMISS ihre Sicherheitsziele mit ihren Geschäftszielen und behebt und eliminiert Bedrohungen in Echtzeit.
Please continue speak to me too in English.
You can book a meeting with the manager responsible for this product. If the product manager is not busy, you can arrange a video conference right now.
Hi, Pavlo. Nice to meet you. Could you please explain the use cases?
Hi, Peter. With pleasure. I can even show you the corresponding slides. Here they are.
The trainer has a history of the conversation and can read the script for slides from his mobile app or web application, or play a recorded voice.
AMISS provides validating the implementation of compensating security controls and identifying gaps. The platform creates automated reporting of status for compensating controls, allow you to make progress in security posture improvement, leads to reducing costs, allow to avoiding human errors. You can see other use cases during your onboarding with AI avatar. Do you have more questions for me?
No, thanks for your help. Bye.
Bye, take care.
Exit presentation. Could you show your portfolio and tell me more about it?
Here is our structured portfolio of cybersecurity solutions.
You can view the portfolio of solutions from various perspectives.
Here are all the vendors we work with and the number of their solutions. Here are the problems we solve. Here is a list of the use cases we cover. Here are the product categories we offer. Choose which category you'd like to see.
Please show me web application firewalls.
Here is the web application firewalls category. Choose which product presentation you'd like to see.
Show me Imperva WAF.
Greetings. We would like to show you a presentation of the IT product Imperva Web Application Firewall. It is designed to protect against web application attacks.
Manager receives complete analytics on potential customer journey.